Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can cancel order and get refund on Temu. So it's pretty simple. After you open Temu, you want to click on you at the bottom of your screen in the middle. And then you want to choose your orders. From inside your orders, you want to go in the processing tab. Now once you're in the processing tab, you want to choose the item which you want to get a refund on. So I have this little grinder thingy. So what I can do is click on the grinder thingy. Once I click on the grinder thing, it's going to show me this. So it's basically asking me why I want to get refund on this item. So you can choose any option you want. Click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to ask you where you want your money, because if they are going to refund it, they have to send your money back. Now you can enter your payment detail, or you can just choose your original payment method, which means whatever method you use to pay for that stuff, you can use that method to get your money back as well. Once you click on it, you want to click on submit. Once you click on submit, it's going to show you this. You just want to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to ask you this cancellation can't be undone. So we are sure we want to cancel it. So click on yes, cancel item, and your item will be cancelled and you will get the money back. So that is how you guys can cancel order and get a refund on Temu. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.